one of them is not a crappy York anymore. And we're going to go take a look at it. That's right. It's not a York, but it's a Ducane. That's right. Ducane. Look at the compressor. Well, it's off. They just literally installed this thing last week. It's got a reciprocating compressor, I believe. Yep, reciprocating compressor. It has to do room 210. It's a heat pump. Model number is 130-P-DL-030-230-01. Serial number is 1912B33657. Of course, there's the line set, and there's that old crappy one running. Let's see if we can figure out which disconnect box it goes to. This one, I believe. Remember when we were over here over Christmas and you asked if an alarm would go off if we pulled the disconnect box? Yeah, that'd be kind of funny. And this fan grill is actually a lot similar to what Train uses. So Matt, what do you think about this